People, so this is my second video of the day, and I have to say this that in this video I want to thank this new uh, subscriber who's a vlogger herself, and uh, her name is her vlog ID is Crazy Mallu Girl, which pretty much describes me also. So but seriously, she's got these lovely curly hair, and she's based in the states. So thank you so much. This is like so sweet. I mean, she's been been gracious enough to post these comments and saying that she wants me to sing along with my child, or probably I should sing. But if I were to start singing, which I think I should, you know no, so far the only comical comments I've ever received, considering the usual comical content of my videos. I mean, most of my videos inadvertently are comical, but is when I was singing. But I think I'll let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. I think I'll sing in one of my next videos. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.